Now, question number 67, paper. This is October number 1-2, paper 1-3. Question is, the first and the second term of progression are 4 and 8. If I'm doing the first part, the first term is 4, second term is 8, and the sum of the first 10 terms. Find the sum of the first 10 terms, given that the progression is arithmetic. First, if the progression is arithmetic, then we have to calculate S10 by the help of formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Common difference is 8 minus 4. It is 4. So what is the answer? 220. In the second part, if the progression is geometric, so then S10 equals to a r ki power n. What is r? 8 divided by 4. R ki power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. What is the answer? 4092 is the result. A question of 4 marks. Simple question. Okay, students. Now this is May June 11 paper 1-1 question. A television quiz show takes place every day. On day 1, the prize money is 1000. If this is not won, the prize money is increased for day 2. The prize money is increased in a similar way every day until it is won. The television company considered 2 models. Model 1, prize money increment is $1000 each day, and the model 2 is 10% increment each day. On each day that the prize money is not won, the television company makes donation to charity. The amount donated is 5%. After 40 days, calculate the total amount of donation. So for model 1 and model 2. Now, I'm doing the first. अब आप देखिए, first हम discuss करते हैं model 1 को. Model 1 में पहले first day 1000 rupees, second day 1000 add करना है 2000, third day 3000 and so on. So charity में कितने जाएंगे अब इसमें से? 5% of 1000 is 50. Next one is 100. Next one is 150 and so on. We have to calculate 40th sum up to the 40th term. For this sequence, we have to calculate sum up to the 40th term. 40 दिन में charity कितनी हुई? So now, by the help of S40 equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1, and the common difference is 50. So what is the answer? 41,000 is that charity. Now, after that, according to model 2, this is part 1 and this is part 2. According to model 2, the first day is 1000. Second day increment of 10%. So what is that? 1100. Next day, what is? What? 1210 and so on. So it's not an arithmetic progression. ये क्या बनेगी हमारे पास? Geometric progression, क्योंकि increment percentage wise हो रहा है. 5% of 1000 is 50. 5% of 1100 is 55. 5% of 1210 is 60.5 and so on. Now we have to calculate the sum up to the 40th term. S20 equals to a r power n. What is the common ratio? R power 1.1 is common ratio. R power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. What is the answer? 22100 up to 3 significant figure. The answer is 22100 up to 3 SF. Now, question number 71 from your past paper file. It is of May June 11, paper 1-2. The question is, a circle is divided into 6 sectors. A circle is divided into 6 sectors. 6 sectors में circle को हमें divide करना है जनाब. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Circle is divided into 6 sectors, right? Now, here it is, the angle of the largest sector is 4 times the angle of the smallest sector. The first condition is angle of the largest sector. अब जरा हम check करते हैं which one is the smallest sector and which one is the largest sector. So we have 6 sectors, right? Let's say this is the smallest sector, A, B, C, D, E, F. So this one is the largest sector. This one is the largest sector. और याद रखिएगा कि ये arithmetic progression में आगे क्या कहा इन्होंने? In such a way that the angle of the sector are in arithmetic progression. तो sequence wise increment हो रहा है, sequence wise चीजें increase हो रही हैं, तो इसमें ये confusion नहीं होनी चाहिए कि which one is the smallest and which one is the largest. The first is the smallest and the last is the largest. Again कोई increment ही होगा. Now अब आइए क्या कहा गया? The angle of the largest sector, the angle of the largest sector is 4 times the angle of the smallest sector. Angle of the largest sector is 4 times the angle of the smallest sector. If this is an arithmetic progression, then the first term is A. First term is, second term is A plus D. The third term is A plus 2D. Fourth term is then ये कंडीशन आई. अब आइए क्या कहा गया? F किसके इक्वल है? A plus 5D equals to 4A. 4A minus A 3A equals to 5D. And what is the value of A? 5 over 3D. Any confusion? The first equation. And how to make the second equation? Sum of all equals to, sum of all angles equals to 360 या 2 पाई. हम 2 पाई से वर्किंग कर रहे हैं, 360 से भी वर्किंग कर सकते हैं, no issues. Now, how many A's we have? 6A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6A plus how many D's we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 15. 15D equals to 2 pi. What is the value of A? 5D over 3 plus 15D equals to 2 pi. And now 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10D, 10 plus 15, 25. So D equals to 2 pi divided by 25. D equals to 2 pi divided by 25. Therefore, what is the value of A? The value of A will be 5 upon 3 times 2 pi divided by 25. So the answer will be 5 5s are 25. This will be 2 over 15 pi. 2 over 15 pi is the value of A, and the value of D is 2 pi over 25. आपसे क्या कहा गया? Find the perimeter of the smallest sector. हमें इसका perimeter calculate करना है. हम circular measures में पढ़ चुके हैं how to calculate the perimeter. How to calculate the perimeter? So the perimeter is 2r plus r theta. The radius is given 5. So it is 2 times 5 plus r is 5, and theta is the value of A. The value of A is 2 pi over 15. What is the final answer? Yes, calculate the final answer. 12 point. Okay. 12.1 is the perimeter. 12.1 is the perimeter. Are you clear? Clear? Boys? Now, the B part is stop working. Just look at the board first. The first, second, and the third term of geometric progression are given. This is T1, this is T2, and this is T3. Given that all the terms are positive, calculate the value of the constant k. Geometric progression में हमें मालूम है common ratio same होता है. क्या मतलब second term divided by first term must be equal to third term divided by second term, right? Now, what is the second term here? K plus 6. What is the first term here? 2k plus 3 equals to, what is the third term here? K, and what is the second term? K plus 6. बन गई एक equation in terms of k. Simplify करते हैं. K plus 6 into K plus 6. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared equals to k multiplied by 2k plus 3, 2k squared plus 3k, 2k squared minus k squared is k squared minus 9k minus 36 equal to 0. What are the two values of k? What are the two values of k? 12. We are selecting 12 because all the terms are positive. It is given in the question. Now, in the second part, we have to calculate the sum up to infinity. And sum up to infinity, the formula is a over 1 minus r. What is a? First term, 2k plus 3. If k is 12, so it will be 12, 2s are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27 divided by 1 minus r. What is r? T2 divided by T1. And what is T2? K plus 6. 12 plus 6, 18 divided by 27. What is the answer? 81 is the sum up to infinity. Are you clear? Any confusion? Hopefully no. Complete the question. Now, question number 73. This is from May June 11, paper 1-3 in the A part. In the A part, a geometric progression has a third term 20. T3 is 20. Sum to infinity is 3 times the first term. Find the first term. It's a geometric progression. T3 को क्या लिखा जा सकता है? AR squared equals to 20. Sum up to infinity को क्या लिखा जा सकता है? A over 1 minus R equals to 3A. So A and A cancel out. 1 minus R equals to 1 over 3. R equals to 1 minus 1 over 3. The value of R is 2 over 3. We have to calculate the first term. It is 20 divided by R squared, 4 over 9. So the value of A is 45. The value of A is 45, the first part. Now, the second part. An arithmetic progression is such that the 8th term is thrice the third term. जो लिखा हुआ है statement, उसी को mathematically हम लोग लिख देंगे. 8th term is equal to thrice the third term. Show that the sum of the first 8 term is 4 times the sum of the first 4 terms. We have to prove this. Right? Now, T8 को क्या लिखा जा सकता है? A plus 7D. T3 को क्या लिखा जा सकता है? A plus 2D. Simplify अगर करते हैं, A plus 7D equals to 3A plus 6D. 3A minus A is 2A. D is equals to 2A. हमें क्या प्रूफ करना है? Show that the sum of the first 8 terms is 4 times the sum of the first 4 terms. 8 term पर आइए, n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D equals to 4 times n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 plus n minus 1 into D, and D is D here. Now, 8 upon 2 is 4. In the bracket, we have 2A plus 70. Here it is. This is 2 twos are 4 and 4 twos are 8. Here it is 2a plus 4 minus 1, 3d. What is the value of d? The value of d is 2a. 4 times 2a plus, here it is 2a equals to 8 times 2a plus, here it is 2a. Now, this will be 4. In the bracket, we have 2a plus 14a equals to, this will be 8. In the bracket, we have 2a plus 6a. 14 plus 2 is 16 multiplied by 4 is 16 multiplied by 4 is 64a. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 8s are 64a 2. Right? We have to prove the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Now, question number 75. It is from October, November 11, paper 1-1. The first part. Sixth term. The sixth term of AP is 23. And the first 10 terms, sum of the first 10 terms is 200. Find the seventh term. We have to calculate the seventh term, and seventh term is a plus 6d. It means if we have the value of a and d, we'll easily get the value of seventh term, right? It's an arithmetic progression given in the question. Now, T6 is a plus 5d equals to 23. So S10 is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1. And the common difference is d equals to 200. Now, 2 5s are 10. And 5 divided by 200 divided by 5 will be 40. From this, the value of a is 23 minus 5d. अगर इसमें रखते हैं 23 minus 5d plus 9d equals to 40. 23 multiplied by 2 is 46 minus 10d plus 9d equals to 40. The value of d is 6. And here the value of a is 23 minus 5 into 6. The answer is minus 7. Therefore, the seventh term is a is minus 7 plus 6. D is 6. 36 minus 7. What is 36 minus 7? 29. This is the first part. Now, what we have in the B part, a geometric progression has first term 1, common ratio R. A second geometric progression has first term 4 and common ratio is R upon 4. The two progressions have the same sum to infinity. Find the value of R and sum to infinity. Sum to infinity of the first equal to sum to infinity of the second. Sum to infinity formula is a over 1 minus R equals to a over 1 minus R for both. The first term here is 1 and R is R. The first term here is 4 and R is R upon 4. So now, cross multiplication 1 minus R upon 4 equals to cross multiplication 4 minus 4R. So now it will be 4R here, 4R minus R upon 4 equals to 4 minus 1 is 3. By taking LCM, 15R equals to 12. The value of R is 12 upon 15. And finally, 12 upon 15 will be 4 upon 5. The value of R is 4 upon 5. And the value of sum up to infinity is a over 1 minus R. So the answer will be 5 upon, the answer will be 5. Question number 77, October, November 1, October, November 11, paper 1, 2. देखिएगा जरा in the first part, an arithmetic progression contains 25 terms. N equals to 25. And the first term is minus 15. The sum of the all terms in the progression is Sn is 525. ये क्वेश्चन अभी हम प्रीवियसली सॉल्व करके आए. So this is same as question number 65. We are not doing this. This is same as question number 65. Now, same as question number 65.